Mga 1,000 na yan ay talagang
They will be
Commissioner, given all our questions now, you're able to assure us with full confidence there will be no failure of elections.
There will be no failure of election.
On your name, ha?
Bakit hindi po
On
natin
your name.
subukan on a nationwide basis? Ang mock election natin gawin natin nationwide. Meron naman pong sapat na pondo dyan dahil hindi nyo naman ginastos yung 15 billion na binigay sa inyo ng Kongreso. Bakit hindi natin ano yan?
And maybe the mock elections can simulate the real conditions of
I know,
election.
that's why
100%.
if you would, I'm sure that's there in your letter, no? It's in your letter. So that will be discussed in NBAC. Alam mo naman, sister, the NBAC decides as a body. I am just one of the 7
Paano po
commissioners.
yung walang transmission? Sabi nyo, maglalagay. Yung wala talaga. Walang
Walang satellite, oo.
Paano yun?
Ilan
Maglalagay
yung
ng satellite?
Ilan ang
Sino maglalagay?
At sino ho magbabayad? Dapat smart
That's
matic.
part of the contract.
Oh, but it's not in the contract. Excuse me. We studied the contract. No, there is no
Wala
satellite sa
silang
contract po.
No, but if you notice also the contract is they're required to provide transmission of the data. And that's
Kahit
part
na
of the
walang
contract.
nakalagay,
Pero wala po sa budget.
mag-ano sila ng
Well, sister,
satellite.
that's part of the contract. They should provide transmission.
So
But
you
it's
will
not in the
assert that.
contract
You
po
will
na
assert that.
nakalagay.
They will assert that. You know what? Different.
You mean they will, they
You know
are,
what? Wait, I think this is all concerned. This is all in your paper. It's useless. It will be a.
Yes, sir.
It will be tedious to discuss all of this. But rest assured, I am holding your letter and holding it already. I will submit it to the embassy.
Kasi po, you're always reassuring us and reassuring us, pero hindi I'm not reassured kasi always reassuring pero wala naman kami nakikita talagang konkreto.
So, pwede ba, sabi mo sa Monday sa NBank, pwede itong pag-usapan? And by Tuesday, can we read official response from you? Na itong mga concerns
Sa
like that?
bawat points namin,
Yes, we will come back.
We will come back. Sige, okay.
So, come back. Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon lang.
afternoon, Tuesday. Okay papapasukin kami
Baka naman hindi kami papasukin
And
ng
please tell your
Tuesday.
guards.
Yes. No worries.
Kasi ang gusto lang nila papasukin yung Smartmatic. Yung mga Pilipino ayaw. Kanina may Smartmatic lang pinapasok nila. Kami ayaw. Oh yes, sabihin sa kanila.
No.
Kita ko yun.
Father, I have to.
No, receive the original.
Wala akong pen dito.
Ito na, para.
Receive lang ninyo, nakuha ninyo.
Ito po ang original copy.
Ito yung
Commissioner, last question.
Okay na.
Are you saying that the automation will be full come May 20? Or is it going to be partial?
It's full.
May 10.
Full automated counting and canvassing because what we have
Of all precincts?
Full.
All?
Paano
So
po
there is
yan,
no,
Parang
there
hindi
is
naman
no scenario
makapaniwala.
of a partial automation?
No.
You have to close that idea.
We are mandated by law. You know this. We are
Yes.
mandated by law to conduct automated
You were also mandated in 1997. It did not happen.
Well,
You know, that is imperative. But what is the indicative?
I have to
You
go
are
because I have
you
to-
are assuring us